So you're looking to increase your profits on your serviced accommodation portfolio. Why not? The first thing you've got to do is understand the algorithms. You've got to be using pricing softwares. Pricing softwares, they work on supply and demand, and they understand how the algorithms work. They understand what they want, the information they want to be fed. And ultimately they see the tweaks, and therefore they boost your ratings up and up and up. So as well as the pricing software, it actually serves as another purpose as well, and it gives you that extra ratings that you need to get your properties listed above others, give you that visibility to stand a better chance of getting that booking that's so important to increasing your occupancy. Good pictures is another thing that you've just got to have. Professional photography. I mean, most smartphones these days can produce a pretty good photograph, but it's not just about the quality of the photograph, it's about what's in the photograph. Time and time again, I see poorly made beds, or a certain bit of rubbish, or a certain thing in a kitchen that just looks out of place. You've got to make sure that what's in the background of these photographs doesn't put people off as well. That is your showroom. You've got to get your photographs absolutely perfect, and your photographs will improve your occupancy and they will improve your profit lines. Now you've got to get away from the OTAs at some point. Now not totally, we have a large portfolio and we do work with the OTAs. We're on Booking.com, TripAdvisor, HomeAway, Airbnb, Agoda, and many, many more. But you've got to try and move away from them as best as possible. Once you get that initial booking, you've then got to try and turn it into a direct booking, and then you work with those companies and those guests returning time and time again. Get away from the commissions, and ultimately you're going to increase your own profits. You also need a booking website. A booking website is crucial for those landing on Google listings, Facebook adverts, etc., and then coming through and having an easy journey and being able to book with yourselves. That is hugely important. Set yourselves up for long-term bookings. Make sure that your properties show that they're there for long-term bookings. Make sure that they're not just singling out weekenders or shorter-term periods. Highlight that you look for contractors or certain industries that are going to attract 1, 2, 3, 4 month bookings at a time. Maybe stay Monday to Friday every week for those certain time periods. Now it's important that you get that message out there, as opposed to being a weekend host for stag and hen parties or whatever it might be. The longer term bookings are much more profitable. They're less hassle, they're less maintenance, they pay on time, you get no headaches from them, and ultimately your profit goes up. Finally, you've got to be prospecting companies. At the end of the day, running a serviced accommodation business is a business. It's not just a case of listing it on certain channels and sitting back and waiting and being a B&B type host. If you want to be good at serviced accommodation, you want to be working with companies, you want to be getting long-term bookings, medium-term bookings, and that's the companies are going to give that for you when they're sending their staff around the UK and they need accommodation for them to live in, a home away from home. So get out there, get on LinkedIn, start prospecting, ringing the right people, speaking to the right people in the companies, and trying to turn your serviced accommodation properties into an actual business. You wouldn't open a business and not market it. You wouldn't open a business and not prospect for sales. Opening a property is exactly the same. Now, many of you might not think that this is for you. Many of you think, I haven't got the time to do that. Many of you are doing this around other professional jobs. You work full time, you work 60, 70 hours a week. So that's where an agency can come in for you. Now, I call ourselves an agency because we're not just a management company. We're a management company, we're a marketing agency, we do absolutely everything. We run it as a proper business. And that's how we can help you improve your occupancy, improve your profit, cut your costs. Now, yes, we're going to charge a fee for that, but the fee that we will charge, we add huge amounts of value that you still end up with a better net profit every single month. If you want to explore this more with ourselves, get in touch with the office, ask@lukeholmes.co.uk, or drop myself a DM and I can put you in touch with the right person. I look forward to speaking to you, and we look forward to hopefully making your hosting journey a much better experience, taking away all the hassle and ultimately making it more profitable for yourself.